everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our 12-inch Android screens in a 2016 Volvo XC90. As you can see, we have special adapters for any car. This is a Volvo XC90 and we use a special adapters for it. It comes in a box. You can install them in Mercedes, BMW, Audi, any luxury car. Right now the sound is coming out through the FM transmitter. It's super clear. And on the other side, customer is using his hard drive, 2 TB, and he downloaded some movies. So you can play movies through that hard drive. You can adjust the volume from this side of the screen by scrolling up and down, and also you can adjust the brightness from other side, which is a cool feature. On the other side of the unit we have USB, SD card and HDMI input. Right now we are using the USB input. If you're interested to get these type of Android screens, you can buy them online. I'm gonna put the link for the screens in the description of this video.